Good afternoon. A real quick one here. Getting lots of questions about the flowers on the needle book that I've just released a video on how to. Yes, you can buy them, no problem. I think I did say that in the original video anyway. This is kind of a snapshot of what you might get. Okay, so I've laid out a couple here. Hang on, let me make some space. Yeah, so you get the four tabs to the four stiffer felts to do your tabs, and then the flowers and the little buttons. Okay, so that this is just a snapshot of what you will get in kits. Hold on, let me. Oh, right, so you see those two, right? Oh, it's good here, isn't it? Okay, let me shift this one across. It's another one that I just made up. So I'm just going to pull them out, okay, and just kind of, they'll be completely hodgepodge. Alright, kind of like my ones were on the original one. So that's just a quick snapshot of what is in the kit. Now, right, hang on. How do I start? Because Etsy take fees and stuff like that, okay, I'm only charging £2.50 for these kits, alright? And it's basically your full embellishment kit that you need. So it's dead cheap as far as I'm concerned. So I don't want to be paying Etsy fees, I'll be honest with you. So I've had a couple of people message me and I said, look, you know, to do this, I need to do it through PayPal. And if you can send it the money as a gift, that way I don't pay PayPal fees. That is an important point. So all I need you to do, let me just hold up one of my business cards here. Here's all the contact details. If you can email me at susieqmakes@hotmail.com. All right, and let me know that you want a kit or how many kits. I've got somebody who wants two, so that's fine. I'm not charging P&P in the UK because I can send them as a letter. All right, because they're quite lightweight, obviously being felt. I'm just going to hold that steady for you, sorry. So susieqmakes@hotmail.com. All right, there's all my contact details. Email me because then I'll get your email and then I can send you an invoice through PayPal, all right? And that's the easiest way for me to do it. Mark it as a gift, and then I don't pay PayPal fees, as I've already said. Yeah, so as you see, you get the flowers, you get the stiff card, yeah. What was the other? Oh, the other thing is, for the US, I should be able to get one pack sent to you for £1.70. That's an international letter. I'm going to explain actually to our friends out in the States because I know a lot of people question me when I do postage. And let me just show you the restrictions we have in the UK. All right, this is a guide basically, as you can see, as it says. Now, we are not only restricted on weight, but also size and depth, you know, how wide it is. So basically, if it'll slip through that slot there, it will go as a letter as long as the letter is inside that size guide. Okay, so that's the limit, and then it goes up to what's called a large letter where you get 2.5 centimeters or 25 mil as they've put it on here. So, you know, I know a couple of people have questioned me about postage, but we are restricted to those sizes. Anything above that goes as a parcel, and then they really whack the prices up. And unlike the States and perhaps some other countries, I'm not sure, we are stuck with Royal Mail. That is, I mean, you can do My Hermes, they do an international, but it's like twice the cost of Royal Mail. So we are stuck, you know, and this is why postage from the UK to States, Canada, wherever, it is, I'm afraid it is expensive, and it's as simple as that. It is going halfway across the world at the end of the day, so we can't blame Royal Mail. Yeah, so if you want them and you are in the US, it's £1.70 because I should be able to get it as a letter. I think Canada would be the same. The only people that won't cover is Australia, because you're in the next world zone, as according to Royal Mail, and I forgot to get those prices. But email me on that address and I can let you know. I can give you a guesstimate on postage if you are in it was Australia and Singapore, I think, places like that, but I don't get anybody in Singapore. All right, so just drop me a quick line there. So if you want to make your own, and you might have these dies already, one die set I used was Tattered Florals, and that's a Sizzix Tim Holtz one, alterations, okay. And the, sorry, is that in focus? I think it is. The flowers I used was this one here and this one here. All right, as you can see probably by all the felt. All right, so I used those two flowers there for that one. I'm really sorry about this, but this little one here that cuts these flowers, it was a freebie on a card. It's a thin one. It was on a magazine, card making magazine, yonks ago. All right, but that cuts felt, but you can see the shapes there. All right. Sorry, I just don't know who would have that die. You'd have to have a search around for it. The little sort of coggy things in the back here are these. If they ever run out, I shall be lost without these. All right, so it's those, and they come in a flower set from Do Crafts, I think it was, and they're part of this flower set. Again, I haven't got the packaging anymore. I'm sorry, I don't know what it's called, but if you search Do Crafts flowers, daisies, I don't know. It's quite a big set. I think it was about £10, but you know, it gives you these shapes, and I use those quite a lot actually in a lot of other different projects. All right, so that's the best I can do. I'm really sorry. I've got no product details to hand over. Like a lot of people, I just take things apart as soon as I get it. So I think that's everything. I'm going to try and link this to the last video. I think you can. Oh, I think I worked out how to do an iCard. The last video for the finishing off stages on the thingy here as an iCard, as I say. Yeah, I think that's about it, guys. Contact me through YouTube if you you know, if you can't sort of pick up on all the doofers there, but yeah, just let me know. As I say, they are going quite fast. I think I've only got about 13 sets cut at the moment. I am running out of the green felt, and until Hobbycraft open, I'm stuck. So the leaf shapes will differ. By the way, you'll get these ones which were on my original, or you might get these ones. Oh, I can show you that die actually. Those ones, you might get those. Sorry, forgot about that one. That's a really old Sizzix one. I think it's a retired one, but that's the leaf there. Does it have a number? It's leaf number 1, but it is old. I know that it's like some of the original ones. But yeah, of course it cuts. I forgot I'd had this actually. I'll be honest with you, and I was cutting out those oval shapes. So anyway, right. So I think that's everything. Drop any questions in the old box down below, and I'll see if I can link that iCard or this as an iCard to my last video. And oh, I don't know, probably not. Anyway, I'll let you go. All right, that's it. Thank you very much. Bye bye.